Hi everyone, welcome to another episode on Paradise Insight series. Today, guess what? We are going to be learning some legal matters that you should know while purchasing a property. Come up, we go talk to the law. You know what they say, knowledge is power. Let us go get some knowledge, shall we? What is a deed of assignment and how is it different from other documents?
A deed of assignment is a legal document. Mind the word legal document. It's not just a document. It's a legal document that transfers ownership, right, and an interest on a land or an estate, on a property, from one party to another, from the assignor to the assignor. The person that owns the land is called the assignor, and the person that the property is transferred to is the assignee. So it is when you have a deed of assignment, you have the full right to deal with the property. Then your right over the land is not limited. So your right is not limited to anything or anybody. And then it's different from other document. Let's just say the contract of sale. In the sense, contract of sale is just a contractual document that binds both parties, which can also be altered. But in deed of assignment, it means you have paid all for the land and you own the land to yourself. So vis-a-vis power of attorney, the power of attorney is a power of appointment, appointing one person to act on behalf of another. It can't equate it to a deed of assignment. And then talking about title, deed of assignment is a valid title. Or your contract of sale, power of attorney is not a title. So you see, when you have a deed of assignment, that's why clients also always run after their deed of assignment, because it's that document that proves your ownership of the land. Contract of sale does not prove such.
We have been hearing about freehold. What exactly is a freehold title?
Freehold, just as the word means, simply put, simply star, is free to hold. That's just it. It's very easy to understand. To my freehold is free to hold. That's just simple meaning that when you have a title freehold on a land, you own it outrightly, and your right to that land is not limited. So for a title to be freehold, it must have two qualities. It must pass two qualities, which one is immobility. The title you have over such property must be land. It must be immovable. It must be land. And then secondly, the ownership must be of indeterminate duration. If what I mean by indeterminate duration is if it's limited to a number of years, it is not freehold. Freehold, that you have your right over the land, is unlimited, it's in perpetuity. You own it from now till eternity.
If a land is having a court judgment, is it still safe for us to proceed with the acquisition of this land or property?
Of course, it is very safe. It's just like you asking, is the judgment of court valid? Understand? If a land has issue and then there's an existing court judgment on the land, what the court says is what it is. So the first step you need to, before you proceed to buying, that you have to make sure that you visit the court that gave that judgment and then make a search to know actually if that judgment was actually given, if it was not a doctored or anything. And then you ask for the CTC of the judgment, that's the certified true copy of that judgment. And then these are what you need to do. When you trace it to it, and then you go to the chief registrar of the court, and then with the suit number, and then go, if it's an appeal, you use the appeal number to check, okay, does this matter before this court actually, does it exist, or was the judgment actually given? Okay, if so, please can I have the CTC of this judgment? So when you have the CTC of the judgment, you can file it and can be put to tell someone, yes, this land has court judgment and the judgment says this and that. So most people, when they hear that the land has court judgment, they run away. No. Once the court has said, okay, look at the owner of this land, this one, no, this we are the owner, and they put it in the court registrar, and it's always there for anybody to can direct your client to go to the court, make your research, look at the parties, look at the suit number, go to the court, make your search. You say, okay, truly this land was given to you by the court, so you are free to deal with it. So it's very safe and very valid to buy a land that has court judgment on it. Thank you.